Assalamu alaikum. Hi, Genius Learners. Welcome to the Genius Learners Academy. The chapter we are going to start is Introduction to Biology. The word science is from Latin scientia, which means to know something. So, we can define science as the knowledge gained by the observation and experimental procedure. The word biology is derived from two Greek words. The one is bios, meaning life, and the other is logos, means thought and reasoning. So biology is the scientific study of life or the scientific study of living organisms. There are three main divisions of biology. Zoology is the scientific study of animals. Botany is the scientific study of plants. Microbiology is the scientific study of microorganisms. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.